What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Destination Delicious. My name is Spencer.
And I'm Christy, and we've been trying to spend as much time near on the water as possible, and mostly because it's Cade's request. He is all about fishing.
Yeah, we've been to a lot of different places, whether it's lakes, rivers, or even oceans. And last year, he was finally successful in catching his first fish on a line, but we have yet to catch any fish that we can griddle up and eat.
Oh, in the meantime, we are trying a whole bunch of different fish to see which ones he likes best. And today, we have a great recipe for you. We are going to be griddling a pineapple plank rockfish in salsa.
So let's go fire up the Blackstone.
To get us started, I am going to cut up our pineapple, and I want to get 4 planks cutting off each side of the pineapple. Okay, once the sides are off, I'm going to cut those planks again pretty thin. Then I'm going to put the pineapple aside because we're going to use that again for the salsa. Now that we have our planks, I am just going to whip up a quick sauce because we're going to use that to coat our planks as well as our rockfish. We're going to use a little bit of soy sauce, some salt, honey, a little bit of Blackstone's pineapple sriracha, and some of our shredded ginger. I have 2 rockfish fillets here, and I'm going to cut them in half so they fit nicely on our pineapple planks. I've got the griddle set to medium, and now we're going to lay our pineapple planks right down on the griddle and brush our sauce over top of the planks. Then we'll add our rockfish fillets and then brush our sauce on top of the rockfish as well. And then I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of the pineapple sriracha right on top of those rockfish fillets. Our fish is going to cook for about 20 minutes, and while that is on the griddle, we are going to prepare our salsa. Then we're going to add orange bell pepper, some cherry tomatoes, chopped jalapeno, red onion, ginger, rough cut cilantro, a little bit of salt, and some freshly squeezed lime juice. Oh my gosh, it looks so colorful.
I know, I love the colors.
Yeah, it smells great. These rockfish fillets look phenomenal, and it smells so good over here. We are ready to get them off the griddle. Yeah.
Some of that juice oozed out and got a little crispy.
Yeah, that soy sauce.
It smells incredible.
Yeah, absolutely. This kind of reminds me of also like a really nice, fresh, healthy date night meal. Like have this on the back patio, on the deck, like
Yeah.
looks nice, looks like there was
It's very presentable.
Yeah. All right, let's dive in. Dive, fish, water.
Just eat all these books.
Oh my gosh,
That is very good.
that's delicious.
So many different flavors from the
Do you
salsa.
also feel the heat?
A little heat from the jalapeno.
The pineapple sriracha
Yep.
flavor. You have a jalapeno in there.
And the rockfish is very good. Very mild, flaky. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you check out blackstoneproducts.com for all things Blackstone. Subscribe and ring that bell on the YouTube channel so you don't miss any of the new videos from any of the great cooks on the channel.
Nate, CJ, Todd, Betty, Bruce, Matt, and us.
And until next time, guys, this is Destination Delicious, and we will see you down the road.